Okay, folks, it's Thursday night at Legal Brewers, and we've got a new thing going on, which is where we're going to try and arrange Thursday nights as what we call the clinic. It's a good opportunity for you to stop by, have a chat. If you've got any problems, any questions, we'll always have people here happy to answer. And we want to do a little bit of fun stuff as well. We've got Dave Averill, who's come in today, and Dave and Dan have arranged a little bit of an experiment, which is pretty cool, and we're going to find out the results. So, Dan, what's going on? What have we got here?
So we've got the same recipe, which is an oatmeal stout.
Cool.
And we're experimenting with coffee. So I've done cold steep coffee, and Dave's done espresso coffee. So cold extract versus warm extract.
Awesome. And we can do a side-by-side here tonight.
Side by side.
So the only variable between these two beers is how you've added coffee to the beer.
There's a bit more going on than that. We've also used two different yeasts.
Okay, so what yeast did you use?
WLP 004 Irish Ale.
Okay, and Dave?
I used 002
English ale. Yep. So both using white lattice yeast. Awesome. So, your method of adding coffee then, Dan, how did you go about it?
So I took some freshly ground coffee in some pre-boiled sterilised cool water, left to soak overnight in the water in a sack, and then I extracted the coffee out and added it to the beer.
Added the liquid in. So it was a 21 litre batch?
No, it was a 5 litre batch.
5 litre batch?
Yeah.
And how much coffee did you use?
I used 130 grams of freshly ground coffee.
Awesome. And Dave, what did you do?
So I scaled up a bit from that, but I think the ratios were about the same.
Okay.
I did 6 double shots of freshly ground coffee in the espresso machine of the same coffee variety.
Yep.
And then I left it to cool and then added it to the keg before racking the beer.
Awesome. So, this is where we get to see side by side. Should we start with this one here? So, big coffee aroma. Some chocolatey sweetness in there as well.
Yeah.
That's your beer?
Right. So I often find with coffee and beer, then you can get a little bit of that sort of ashtray character coming through, but I'm not getting any of that with this at all. What was the finishing gravity on the beer, Dave?
It was actually fairly high.
Yep.
Around 10-19.
10-19. So there's a lot of body there. You see a big level on the glass as well.
Yeah, surprisingly dry finish.
There's probably some roast or coffee astringency in there.
Yep.
Bringing that dryness.
Awesome.
I could drink 10 of that.
Well, it's a good job you made a bigger batch than you. So, Dan, then, with your cold steep.
Yep.
Oh, that's different.
Yeah, much less coffee around
Much less
me.
coffee. Yeah.
Earthy?
I don't get hit with coffee as strong.
And I'm also getting much less of that chocolate character in there.
So the finishing gravity of this one is 10-15.
So 4 points lower.
Yep.
It's noticeable on the palate tap.
Yeah.
Less astringency though. It's almost like it doesn't feel as dry as the other one.
Interesting.
You feel different?
Yep.
Or
No,
same?
I agree with you. And interesting that the 004, even with a higher finishing, if it had a higher finishing gravity, would bring a sort of dry finish to it. But it hasn't with this.
I am getting a little bit of that ashtray sort of character in this one that I talked about before. So, which one's your favourite?
I think I prefer Dave's.
Dave?
I like them both, but I think they're a little bit different. I get stronger coffee from my one.
Yep.
But your one doesn't have the stringency that my one has, so I like them both. In your own way.
I'd smash a pint of that one. I think this one here, I'd be happy to have a half of it, but then I'd move on. So for me, this one here. So awesome, espresso coffee. Nice work, fellas. Awesome.
Thanks, guys.
All good. Cheers.